Hey friends, what's up? It's Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a vision board. A lot of my friends lately have been making dream boards, and I think they're a great way to visually represent your goals and just have a daily reminder when you wake up and you see it on your wall. So I wanted to maybe inspire somebody else to make one. So I started off by cutting a regular sized poster board in half just so that it was smaller and easier to place on my wall and fill with photos. Having 4 sheets of pictures was the perfect amount for my dream board. If you're wondering, I made these photo collages with Canva. If you guys are wondering how to use Canva, I'm going to explain that super fast, but if not, just skip ahead. So basically, I got a bunch of different photos from websites like Pinterest and Tumblr and saved them onto my computer. I then uploaded them onto Canva on a letter-sized template, which is just basically your typical piece of paper. I then mashed them all together in the best space-saving way as I could. I then saved and printed. When I was organizing everything onto my vision board, I didn't want everything aligned perfectly. I like it a little messy and a little imperfect. That's the style I was going for. It kind of cracks me up because this entire time I was taking so long to organize all of the photos in a way that I thought looked decent, and then I realized that I had string that I really wanted to incorporate, so I ended up scrapping everything. I would have definitely taped this string onto my poster board had it been a little bit longer, but instead I poked holes and tied it on the back. And now with the baby clothespins, I'm just putting my 5 most important goals on top. And here's me doing my final organization of all of the photos that I printed out. Definitely just lay the photos where you think you want them to go before gluing or taping them down. And if you do glue them down, make sure you put a super thin layer of glue, otherwise it may cause discoloration or ripping. This is where the lace and ribbon comes in handy. Just for some pop and for them to stick out more, I put colored index cards on the back of the photos that represented my top 5 goals. That is how I designed my dream board. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.